So I drained this battery that I made for my electric drill really quickly. I don't know what went wrong exactly, but its total voltage was 12, 12.05. So I assume it was not charged to maximum capacity or something, but I barely used the drill. Like I made 1.5 holes in the wall, and then it gave out. Well, actually, 2.5 holes, but really small holes, like 3 minutes of operation total. So that's really unusual. Now I want to charge up the cells and see what it does when I know that they are fully charged. So to charge them up, I'm going to connect a power adapter cable like this one. I'm going to connect it to all the battery cell ends, positive, negative, blah blah blah, and I will charge it with an external charger. This charges one cell at 500 milliamps, and yeah, it tapers down at the end, so it's gonna take a long time, but I just want to see if this works, if these cells are good for the drill, or I have to buy some new ones, or I don't know. I just want to try it. Now, where is my where are my tools? I can't find my tools. I need a cutter blade or something here. Oh, yeah. Let's use a knife. This is a crappy knife, but yeah, it will do the job right now. Let's just take off the insulation. It doesn't have to be perfect. It only needs to deliver 500 milliamps. I mean, a strand of hair would do that. But yeah, I use these cables that are rated for... how much are computer cables rated for? At least 60 watts on 12 volts. That's 5 amps. Yeah, this could do 5 amps. So 10 times the charging maximum of this small little thing. So yeah, that's pretty good. Let's put some solder on it, and let's think it through while I'm soldering these. So I put one on each end and two on the middle, I mean right here and right here. So if I go along with the charger with 2 pins on the first two, then when it's charged, then the middle two, and then when it's charged, the final two. And it should charge up all the cells. That's my theory. That's without investing like $8 in a charger. You can get a really dependable charger. Let's call it dependable. You can get one for $8 for an electric drill. It says 10 volts, but that has to be 3 cells in series. There's no other configuration that can give you close to 10 volts, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, that's the way I see it. So that could be used to charge these up. But yeah, I don't want to spend any money before I know that this works. So yeah, that's the main problem here. I want to see if it works. So I want to keep the order. That means that I'll put the yellow on the right here, like right here. Okay. Then let's see. We want to mix things up. Let's see the order here. So yellow and this black, which is, let's see, this one that goes here. Okay, then comes this one. I can solder it here or here. Yeah, whatever's easier. Yeah. Nah, I'm holding it with the tip. Now I have to remove it by pulling away and hitting it up. Okay, that's an old trick. So, yeah, put one here and the one at the end. Here comes the black. I mean the other black. Here. Yeah, it's okay. And the red one will go on the end. Oh, I didn't solder this one. My mistake. No solder on this one. Yeah, let's put it here. Yeah, not the best soldering job, but it's gonna hold 500 milliamps. So that's that. Now let's do something with the charger. I think I'll just take off the insulation here and let God do the rest. Yeah. All the times I connected these things to just bare wires, plug it into the power supply and no problem, no shorts. Well, actually, if it shorts out, then it will probably melt the wire. I think it happened to me once with an ATX power supply, but that's another story. So yeah, that's it. Let's measure the voltage first. That could be interesting. Let's see the voltages on the cells. Let's see if any of them are worse. So yeah, 20 volts. Let's see this one. 3.93. 392. And oh, yeah, it's okay, 393. So all of them have the same voltage. That's really good. That's really good. Okay. That's fine. So then let's try to charge up the cells. Which one's the positive? So the red one turned out to be the positive. That's a lucky coincidence. And here the yellow is the positive. Let's put some solder on it. Yeah, let's put. I don't want the strands to fall off or something. Now where did I put the soldering iron? It ran away. On the ground. Okay, that's the safest place. Nothing falls from the ground. So let's put some here. And on the other wire. Right here. Yeah. Whatever. So I have a charger here. If I connect it, it will just be purple, I think, or blue. Yeah, battery error, or when it finished charging. So if I connect, the positive is the yellow, yes. So the positive goes to the red, so the yellow goes to the red. That's the positive. Oh, and it's not good. It doesn't make good contact. I'll have to revise this. So that's the positive. The negative goes into the next one. Okay, and now connect it. It's charging. Okay. So yeah, it works. And hopefully this charger will charge up each of them to the same voltage. Yeah, the voltage will drop. Will start dropping, and there will be some difference, because from the first cells charged to the last, some time will pass. So like 8 hours. How much the battery will discharge in 8 hours? Yeah, then I can always come back to the other two and maybe charge them for 10 minutes or something, and it will top them off. Yeah, that's a better solution. So all the cells will be at the same voltage. That's a good idea. Okay. So I just wanted to make this video to show you how to charge these cells when when you don't want to spend any money and you have some power banks laying around, like some promotional crap from Orange or whatever, Vodafone. They give these things out, and there's a charging circuitry inside and a relatively good cell. Let me open this up. Oh yeah, here's the charging circuitry. And what brand is this cell? I didn't check like last time. I think it's Samsung. Oh, it's glued in. That's bad. Well, based on the number you can figure it out, but I don't feel like searching for it. I think it's Samsung or LG. Whatever. It's it's only 2000. Yeah, that's what it says on the box. So this cell is not very good. Usually they are 2600. Yeah. But the circuitry is good. So this thing is worth at least $1. If you get the power bank for free, this electronics is really useful. For example, you can put 3 of them inside this battery pack, so you can charge all the 3 cell groups separately from a different charger, and yeah, then you wouldn't have to switch over to the next. So yeah, it's working. Should I just measure it really quick to see where the voltage went, how fast it charges or something? Where did I put the multimeter? Man, things are getting away from me today. Oh, here it is. The same place I put everything. And I put my soldering iron on a good PC mainboard with a dual core processor. That's not very smart. That's not very smart at all. Oh, come on. You just turn off now. Yeah, it's going up. It will go up to 4.2. Hey, it's climbing. Nice. Okay, I will maybe write something in the description how this thing went, and yeah, let you know if it works for a power drill.